Zelle Error A106 is a persistent technical issue that prevents users from sending or receiving money through the Zelle payment network. This error continues to affect users across various banking platforms in 2024 and 2025. Error A106 typically manifests as transaction failures or account access restrictions. Users see messages like unable to process payment and find themselves blocked from completing money transfers. Error A106 has four main root causes. Account verification issues occur when information is missing or outdated. Security flags trigger when the system detects suspicious activity patterns. Bank-specific restrictions are individual policies that block certain transactions. Network connectivity problems prevent proper communication between devices and Zelle servers. The primary triggers for Error A106 include incomplete account verification, unusual transaction patterns that raise security concerns, individual bank policies that restrict certain transfers, technical glitches during system updates, and outdated app versions that lack current security protocols. Zelle has implemented enhanced security measures that can also trigger Error A106. These include stricter fraud detection algorithms, new multi-factor authentication requirements, increased scrutiny on first-time transactions between users, and enhanced identity verification processes. Advanced fraud detection systems continuously analyze transaction patterns and user behavior to prevent fraudulent activity. While these systems are protective and effective, they can sometimes flag legitimate transactions as suspicious, which triggers Error A106 as a security precaution. Understanding Error A106 is crucial for Zelle users. This error often indicates that security protection systems are working to prevent fraud. While frustrating, it serves an important purpose. The error can have multiple causes ranging from account verification issues to network problems, making proper diagnosis essential for resolution. When you encounter Zelle Error A106, there are systematic steps you can take to resolve the issue. We'll walk through immediate fixes, advanced solutions, and prevention strategies. The first category of solutions involves immediate fixes that resolve 60 to 70% of Error A106 cases. These are quick steps you can take right away. Step 1 is verifying your personal information. Check that your name matches your bank records exactly, your phone number is current and accessible, and your email address is up to date. Step 2 involves updating your Zelle app and clearing its cache. Update to the latest version, clear the app's cache and data, and try accessing Zelle through your bank's website instead of the mobile app. Step 3 focuses on network connectivity. Ensure your internet connection is stable, disable any VPN or proxy services, and try connecting from a different network if the issue persists. Step 4 is restarting your device. Restart your mobile device, wait 24 hours before retrying the transaction, and log out of Zelle completely before logging back in. If immediate fixes don't work, advanced solutions have an 80 to 90% success rate. The most effective approach is contacting your bank's customer service directly. Request a manual account verification review, ask for confirmation of Zelle service status, verify there are no holds or restrictions on your account, and try different access methods like the website or phone banking. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Users should maintain current contact information, avoid sudden changes in transaction behavior, use only trusted networks, and regularly monitor their account status. Banks can also help prevent Error A106 by providing clear error messaging, ensuring customer service staff are well trained to handle these issues, monitoring error patterns in real time, and implementing proactive communication with customers. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps results in high success rates. Immediate fixes resolve 60 to 70% of cases, while advanced solutions achieve 80 to 90% success. Most Error A106 issues resolve within 24 to 48 hours when proper steps are followed.